Come in! Here is the place where you can stay for the quarantine and have your good time. Isn't it amazing? What I like in this house that everything is ready for you using, so I like it. Hello guys, this is K Housing and my name is Emily. In the previous video we were watching the quarantine house for the 2-person or for the family. Today we are gonna watch the quarantine house for 1 person. The location of the house is nearly 5 minutes walking from the Hagok station. And the house that we are gonna watch is that one. Let's go with me. This is the entrance for this house. Here we have a safety code. The house that we are gonna see is located basement. You can use 4 houses. And the room that we are gonna watch today is this room. Come in! Look at this beautiful room! Here is the place where you can stay for the quarantine. In the previous video we were also in a place where you can stay, but that place were for family or the friends. Here you can stay only alone. Let's watch this house more detailed. The first thing that took my attention is this king-size bed. Look at this bed! It's so big. It is really big place for 1 person where you can sleep and have your good time. In front of the bed we have TV. You know that staying in the quarantine 2 weeks is really boring, but if you will have your TV, you will have more pleasant time. So here you can see your Netflix, movie or TV itself. And on the up of the TV we have air conditioner. Near to the bed we have everything what you need for your life. Here we have a hair dryer. Also we have a toilet paper, TV, air conditioner, and of course small towels. If you will take this out, you can take this thing and put it to the bed. So it's perfect. You are laying here watching the TV and eating your dinner. Isn't it amazing? Of course, the first thing that you are thinking when you are coming to that small place is where to put your clothes. Here we have a big wardrobe. It's okay to put your luggage here, also to put your clothes here. And we have that kind of small place for putting your underwear or other small things. We have some places to put your clothes also, not only wardrobe. We can put your clothes here, here, and also you can put your shoes here. It's not only one place where you can put your shoes, also you can put your shoes here. But what I think it's a little bit small. For example, I don't think that you can put my shoes there. Also here we have a washing machine. To having a washing machine in the house, I think it's a really good point. In Korea, what I like in Korea that they have that kind of washing machine oftenly. Also here we have a refrigerator. For 1 person is really big. Usually in Korea, they have a small refrigerator even in the big house. But here we have a big one. So I like it. From now on, I'm gonna explain you the kitchen more detailed. What I like in this house that everything is ready for you using. So here we have everything for eating, for cooking, and also we have small sink here. You can use the water. Here also we have so cute soju glass and wine glass and beer glass. Also we have a cutting board, also fry pan and induction. Let's go to see inside of the bathroom. The bathroom is small, but it includes everything what you need for your life. We have a sink here, toilet here, and the place where you can put your clothes. And also we have a cleansing foam, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash. What I like here is that this bathroom is clean. Even it is small, we have everything here, so it is good point. I really like it because here is everything for your life. If you like this room, I think you have a question, how much is this? In quarantine time, you just pay 650,000 won. For this price, this place is really cheap and enough. So if you like this house, this one room, please put the like and subscribe and follow us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!